Restoring a previous version of a page. Pages on WordPress have a revisions section in the edit view located under the visual editor near the bottom of the page on the backend editor. As seen here. This allows administrators and editors to restore previous versions of a page. Versions are saved as a date-time format after each update. Click the hyperlink for the version you need to restore and select Restore on the right side. There is also a compare feature that allows you to view the versions before you restore them. If this is the version of the page that you want to restore, click on Restore this autosave, and it will revert back to this previously saved version of the page.